Modern diesel engines rely on complex electronic systems. Whenever a fault occurs, the ECU generates Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs. While these codes are essential for maintenance and troubleshooting, they can also become frustrating for tuners and technicians. After performance modifications, catalytic converter removals, or ECU upgrades, many vehicles trigger irrelevant or persistent error codes. If not handled correctly, these codes can cause the check engine light to stay on, force the car into limp mode, or limit performance unnecessarily. This course teaches you how to safely identify, categorize, and remove unnecessary DTCs in diesel engines using WinOLS, the industry's most trusted and professional software. Unlike automated one-click tools, you'll learn precise methods that ensure reliability, safety, and long-term performance. What makes this course different? Tailored for diesel engines, DTCs covers unique systems like catalytic converters, DPF, AdBlue or SCR, EGR, turbo systems, and common rail injection. Practical training. Real projects on ECUs from Bosch, Delphi, Continental, Denso, Hitachi, and more. Professional tools. Step-by-step WinOLS training for accurate DTC identification and removal. Safety first approach. Learn which codes can be removed and which must remain for safety and compliance. Lifetime updates. All future course updates and new ECU examples are included with the full package. What you'll master. Fundamentals of DTCs. How they are stored, triggered, and categorized. Temporary, permanent, critical. Understanding diesel-specific diagnostic DTCs for CAT, DPF, AdBlue, or SCR, EGR, Turbo. ECU communication standards. OBD2, PBCU codes. Manufacturer-specific codes, SPN or FMI, KWP, UDS. Navigating and editing projects in WinOLS. Identifying removable versus essential DTCs and diesel ECUs. Safe deletion and testing to prevent limp mode or performance loss. Bench testing, data logging, and road validation after modifications. Legal and ethical considerations when handling DTCs in diesel vehicles. Why this matters. For diesel tuners, mastering DTC removal is more than just turning off error codes. It's about ensuring smooth performance, maintaining customer satisfaction, and avoiding unnecessary repairs. With the right skills, you can provide professional solutions that separate you from competitors who rely on unreliable quick fixes. Who this course is for. Professional ECU tuners and workshop technicians specializing in diesel engines. Performance shops and mechanics who want to eliminate false codes after hardware modifications. Enthusiasts eager to understand and apply professional ECU editing techniques. No prior mastery of WinOLS required. The course guides you step by step from basics to advanced applications. Beyond training. By completing this course, you'll be able to safely and effectively remove unnecessary DTCs from diesel vehicles. Whether it's cars, trucks, or marine engines, you'll gain confidence in handling real-world tuning projects, earn an official certificate of completion, and have lifetime access to updates and community support. Move beyond unreliable quick fixes. Enroll today and learn how to manage diesel engine DTCs with precision, safety, and professionalism.